So if a country spends more than 3 to 4% of its GDP on healthcare, it's considered a sick nation. So in that same time frame in 1906, we spent about 2% of our GDP on healthcare, which you all know right now. As of 2016, this is from the World Health Organization. They don't have they're working on a new one now. 17% of the GDP is spent on healthcare costs. Per Forbes magazine, 62% of Americans cannot withstand an unexpected $500 expense. So especially if you were to get sick and you had to pay a drastic copay or pay for some medication, that can put you right in the poverty line and be out just with a $500 unexpected expense. 62% of Americans. In 1962, 46% of Americans were considered either overweight, obese, or morbidly obese. And that was when the dinner plate was 9 inches, what we've talked about before. In 2008, 75% of Americans are overweight, obese, or morbidly obese, and the dinner plate is 12 inches. And we talked about how one 12-inch plate can hold 1,900 calories because not only are they large, they're like shovels full because it's like a bowl almost, these large things. Now, it's not just a flat plate like they used to have. So it went from being the average of three meals a day on a 7-inch plate would be about 1,900 calories to now it's about 5,700 calories a day on a 12-inch plate with how we make the plates. And that's all from the World Health Organization.